Each project executed by Daudin Campenon Bernard is unique, calling on appropriate procedures and specific equipment and tools called temporary structures. So, what are temporary structures? They are simple or complex structures on which our employees work and may sometimes be in the vicinity of third parties outside the project. Temporary structures are a major source of risk for our employees and third parties. To continue assuring safety and excellence, Daudin Campenon Bernard has conceived its MaitrisOP approach, designed to optimize management and inspection of temporary structures on all of our projects without exception. MaitrisOP was developed by our engineering and quality directorates from the two main regulatory texts. Installment 65 of the CCTG General Technical Specifications and the December 2004 Scaffolding Order. The process started by defining how to ensure that at every stage of a project, from setup and use through to takedown, a temporary structure offers maximum guarantees for the safety of our employees and third parties. This was achieved by focusing on 3 points. Consistency with the same person in charge of the structure from design through to takedown, design and inspection. A temporary structures officer is appointed and every individual is reminded of their obligations in this respect. Temporary structures are identified and categorized. And for complex, high-risk structures, special attention is paid to the mission of the temporary structures officer or officers. This mission covers all phases, from design through to takedown. The design taking into account every stage in the structure's life cycle: setup, use, moving and takedown. Safety, incorporating redundancy criteria in the event of a failure of one of the links in the load transmission path. Inspections and tests to be performed in the factory the first time temporary structures are set up, periodically and before takedown. To put this approach into practice, a comprehensive system has been devised to manage temporary structures. This toolbox includes the PG09 general procedure, detailing the approach, the document delegating responsibility to the temporary structures officer, general and specific procedures for first and second category structures, and the guides and checklists required at every stage in the process. Since 2011, all Daudin Campenon Bernard projects use MaitrisOP, supported by the Prevention, Quality and Methods departments. These 3 departments lead half-day training sessions for project personnel, help teams to implement the approach and ensure the temporary structures procedure is being applied, and check that the approach is working and being maintained throughout the project, with support from business unit officers. MaitrisOP is constantly being improved with feedback from projects and extended to all of Daudin Campenon Bernard's partners in the Vinci Group and beyond. MaitrisOP is an approach geared towards managing the risks associated with temporary structures on each individual project.